Hi, this is a quick message for business owners looking for funds for their businesses. We have fast, flexible funding for you to help you scale your business. Now, if we can't beat all the offers out there, we'll give you a $500 plus gift card. And that's how confident we are in getting you the best funding for your offer. Now, I've got a brief message from our founder and CEO. It's already in progress, but you'll get the gist of what he's saying to you.
All of those could bring you thousands more in sales. So how many opportunities are you leaving on the table because you don't have the funding to implement them? As you know, business is about speed and execution. And if you have opportunities to grow your profits, you need the capital to act on it now before your competitors do. We've already helped thousands of businesses just like yours. That's how we started this company, to help people like you with fast, flexible funding to scale your business. And we're confident that we can get you the best deal, that we put our money where our mouth is. See, we say this: if we can't beat all offers out there, we'll give you a $500 Visa gift card. That's how sure we are that we'll get you the best funding offer available. So here's all you need to do. Click the Apply Now button. Fill out that 5-minute application. Upload those 3 months bank statements. And let's see what you qualify for.
Okay, again, if we can't beat all the offers out there, we'll give you a $500 Visa gift card. And that's how confident we are in getting you the best funding offer available. Ready to grow? Let's get you funded. Grab the link in the description area of this video and get funded today. I'm Terry Brown. Have a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.